Hey everybody, Jay here and welcome to my channel. So for today's Power Hour, I'm going to be tackling things in the kitchen. I'll be cleaning the dishes, the sink, wiping down the table, the stove, the countertops, as well as sweeping the floor. Do you have those type of days where it's just that you just are not motivated to do any cleaning at all? This was one of those days. Question of the day. So what motivates you when you are doing your cleaning around the house? Do you listen to an audible? Do you listen to any music? What is it that you do that keeps you motivated while you're cleaning? Stay tuned to the end of this video. There's a special appearance from my son. In previous videos, it was where during my power hour, I was able to clean a multitude of things. In this particular power hour, the main thing is the kitchen. Because I had so many dishes to clean, it took me about an hour to finish all that I wanted to do and complete in this kitchen. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thanks for stopping by. On my channel, I like to do cleaning videos such as this, hauls and DIY projects. If that's something that interests you, be sure to subscribe to my channel.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to check out other videos like this one. Give me a thumbs up, share this video, comment your thoughts, and love you.